Hello, hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the new video of our channel. Let's code it. I'm here with something very interesting today. I'm gonna load the Mistral LLM into the free version of the Google Colab. If you see here, I'm not subscribed to the Colab Pro and I only have the free resources. If you are new to the Google Colab, by default it will connect to the CPU runtime. You have to go here in the runtime, change runtime to T for GPU. So once you connect to the T4 GPU, you will be able to see something like this. So if you notice, I have already loaded the LLM into the memory. It's just to save time because in order to download the model, it will take around 3 minutes. And also to install the dependency, it takes around a minute. So I'll try to go through each step and then in the end we'll try to do some exercise together. So I'll be using a library called LangChain. If you're not familiar with it, it's a very impressive library to build the LLM application. I'll leave the link to this framework in the video description if you want to explore yourself. And also I will be loading this special version of the Mistral, which is fine-tuned on the publicly available conversation dataset. So first I installed all the dependencies and then I imported the required classes and the methods. And then I defined the quantization config. Here I specified I want to load it in 4 bits. And I passed this quantization config here and I'll get the 4-bit model here. And also here I specified the tokenizer. And if you see the logs, it took around 3 minutes and it downloaded around 15 gigabytes of data. And after downloading the model, and I'm creating an instance of the pipeline. I'm specifying it's a text generation pipeline and I'm passing the 4-bit model here. And I'm also passing the tokenizer and some default keyword arguments. And this pipeline instance is later then passed to the Hugging Face pipeline. And here I defined a prompt template. I made it very simple. I said like it's a respectful and helpful assistant and always be precise, polite, and respond in conversational English with minimum words. And here I defined a utility method. It's just not to repeat these lines of code when we ask questions again and again. So this utility method is defined and then I tried to frame a question. Name one president of America. And it said George Washington, which is correct. Let's try to ask another question. What will ask? What is the current president of America? Let's try to ask the current president. It should not have access to the recent data. So let's see. Okay, nice. The current president of United States is John Biden. Wow, that is impressive. Let's try to ask another question. What is the national flower of India? The national flower of India is lotus. Wow, very nice. So as you can see here, guys, we successfully loaded the model, and I thank you for watching the video and stay tuned for the next one. Thank you. Bye.